Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Start Firefox and look at the top right corner of the window for icons. Find the puzzle piece icon and click it to open the extensions menu. The menu lists all installed add-ons and shows which ones are pinned. Each extension has a three-dot menu and a pin icon next to it. If you do not see the puzzle icon, press Alt to reveal the menu bar and then open add-ons and themes. This opens the same extensions list for pinning and management. Locate the extension you want to add in the extensions menu by name. Click the small pin icon to the right of that extension to pin it. You will see the extension icon appear immediately on the toolbar, no restart required. If the extension is already pinned, the pin icon appears filled and can be clicked again to unpin. You can pin multiple extensions following the same steps and check for visible icons along the toolbar. After pinning, you can change the toolbar layout using simple gestures and menus. Right-click any toolbar icon and choose Remove from Toolbar to hide it immediately. Click and hold a pinned icon, then drag it left or right to reposition its placement on the toolbar. For more options, open the hamburger menu, select Customize Toolbar, and drag icons into or out of the toolbar area. When finished, click Done to save your layout and resume browsing normally.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.